Feedbackly allows you to stay on top of your customer feedback so you can fix problems immediately as soon as they are identified. You can set up automatic email notifications for any employee to send in response to negative feedback. The obvious use case is for floor-level employees in a retail store, but the applications are endless. To set up a notification rule, click on the Notifications tab and then click on New Notification Rule. Choose the survey that you would like notifications for. Then add the emails that you would like the notification to be sent to. Make sure you separate them with a comma. Select one or more of the channels that the survey is published on and choose when you would like the notifications to be sent. By default, the notifications will send the moment the condition is met, regardless of whether the survey has been completed. Now you can set the conditions for your notification. Click on Add a Condition, then choose the question that you would like to set the condition for. Select the response that you would like to trigger the notification. You can add an OR condition inside the block as well. Once you have set your conditions, click Save and your notification will send automatically when the conditions are met.